What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can create a BullX account. So first what you need to do is either find BullX on your browser or just click the first link in the description down below. I will leave the BullX signup link as the first link in the description. Now once you click on that link, you will be on this page right here. So on this page, you need to connect your Telegram account to access the BullX features. So just go ahead and click Connect Telegram. Then you will be redirected to the Telegram's website. Now here I have Telegram on desktop, so I will just open it on desktop. But if you have Telegram on your browser, then you can continue through here. Now the trading bot is opened on my Telegram account, and I will just click Start right here. Now you need to set your username. So just go here, then click on Settings right here, and then click Add Username right below your phone number. Now you need to set a unique username, so I will just type in something random. Just like this, and I will click Save. Now when you have your username set, you can exit this and continue to set up your account with BullX. So just click this Start right here. Now if you have an access code, you can paste it down below, just like this, and click Send. And now my early access has been redeemed. If you guys want this early access code, I will also leave it in the description below, right under the BullX signup link. Now to log in into your account, all you need to click is this login button right here. And click Open. Now here is a short tutorial and some features that we can use. So if I minimize this, now I'm on the BullX page. So let's try to enter our account. Now we will just click Next. And here we can fund our wallet by either scanning this code or copying this public address right here. So you can do this, but it's not necessary. You can also do it later. So you can just click Start Trading. And there we go. Now you're on your BullX account. And that's a complete step-by-step guide on how you can open up your own BullX.io account. So don't forget to use the sign up link from the description down below, and also, as I said, I will leave the early access code right beneath it.